In 2026, there are people making between $3,000 and $10,000 a month online using skills that did not exist 3 years ago. They are not coders. They are not influencers. They are not dropshipping. They learned one of 5 specific AI skills that the market is paying for right now, and most people have never heard of. This video covers all 5. Skill 1. AI prompt engineering for businesses. This sounds technical. It is not. Prompt engineering means knowing how to write instructions for AI tools that get consistently useful results. Most businesses using AI are getting mediocre output because the people using it do not know how to instruct it properly. There are agencies right now charging between $500 and $2,000 per project to audit a company's AI workflow and rewrite their prompts. The output quality improvement is significant enough that businesses pay for it repeatedly. You do not need a degree. You do not need to code. You need to understand how large language models respond to different instruction styles and be able to demonstrate the difference between a bad prompt and a good one. The fastest way to learn this is to spend 30 days using Claude or ChatGPT for every task you can think of and documenting what works. That documentation becomes your portfolio. Your portfolio gets you your first client. Freelancers in this space are currently charging $75 to $150 per hour on platforms like Upwork. The demand is outpacing the supply significantly. Skill 2 is where the money gets more passive, and Skill 3 is the one almost nobody is talking about yet. Stay with me. Skill 2. AI video production for faceless YouTube channels. You are watching an example of this right now. The model is simple. Use AI to script videos, AI voiceover tools like ElevenLabs to narrate them, AI video generators for visuals, and basic editing software to assemble them. Upload consistently in a high RPM niche, finance, business, tech, make money online, and build ad revenue over 6 to 12 months. The upfront income is zero. The long-term income potential is significant. Channels doing this in finance niches are reporting RPMs between $15 and $45 per thousand views once monetized. A channel with 200,000 views per month at a $20 RPM earns $4,000 that month. With 4 channels running in parallel, that number multiplies. The skill to build here is the production system: scripting, voiceover, visuals, assembly, upload, done fast and done consistently. The people winning in this space are not making better videos than everyone else. They are making more videos more consistently than everyone else. Skill 3. AI automation consulting. This is the one almost nobody is talking about yet. Every small and medium business in the country has repetitive manual processes that AI can automate. Data entry, customer follow-up emails, invoice processing, lead qualification, social media scheduling. Tools like Make.com and Zapier connect AI to almost every business software that exists. Someone who can walk into a business, identify 3 processes wasting staff time, and build an automation that eliminates them is worth a significant amount to that business. Consultants doing this are charging $1,500 to $5,000 per automation build. The builds take between 4 and 20 hours depending on complexity. Recurring maintenance retainers on top of that run $200 to $500 per month per client. You do not need to be a developer. You need to understand how Make.com works, how to connect AP is at a basic level, and how to identify which business processes are worth automating. Skills 4 and 5 are the ones that will still be relevant in 5 years, even as the AI tools themselves change completely. That is what makes them different from everything else on this list. Skill 4. AI content strategy. Creating content is no longer the bottleneck for most businesses. AI handles that. The new bottleneck is knowing what content to create, for which audience, on which platform, and how to measure whether it is working. Content strategists who understand AI tools and can build a content system for a business not just write posts, but build the entire repeatable process, are charging $2,000 to $5,000 per month on retainer. The skill set combines platform knowledge, audience psychology, basic data analysis, and AI tool fluency. None of those individually are rare. Combined they are. Skill 5. AI training and onboarding for teams. Businesses are buying AI tools and their staff do not know how to use them. The people who can walk into a company, run a half-day workshop showing a team how to use Claude or ChatGPT for their specific job functions, and leave them with a prompt library they can actually use, those people are charging $500 to $2,000 for a single session. A 2025 LinkedIn Workplace Learning Report found that AI literacy was the single fastest growing skill demand among employers globally. The supply of people who can actually teach it in a practical business context is still very thin. You build this skill by getting good at AI tools yourself first. Then you teach what you know. Start with one person. Charge nothing. Get a testimonial. Raise your price. Repeat. Here are the 5 skills, one more time. 1. AI prompt engineering for businesses. $75 to $150 per hour freelance. 2. AI video production for faceless YouTube channels. $0 to $10,000 per month depending on scale and time invested. 3. AI automation consulting. $1,500 to $5,000 per build plus monthly retainers. 4. AI content strategy. $2,000 to $5,000 per month retainer. 5. AI training and onboarding for teams. $500 to $2,000 per session. You do not need all 5. You need one. Pick the one that fits your current skills and existing network closest and go deep on it for 90 days. The window on these skills is open right now. It will not stay open at this level of opportunity forever. If you want more breakdowns like this every week, real skills, real numbers, no fluff, subscribe. New video every week.